there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a stitch in a coffee cup. So first we're going to get started with the hands. And we're going to start over on the left hand side, drawing in a nice big oval. We're going to come across on the right hand side, leaving quite a big gap and just replicating that. We'll step further in towards the center now, curving this oval around and then back in towards the bottom. And then we're going to move in one more time and just replicate that. Now from here on the bottom of each oval, we're going to draw in a small triangle for the claws. So we'll draw 3 in total. Now let's connect this on the bottom. So we're going to curve this line across and we're going to bring this up on the right. And now from here, let's move up. So in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. We're going to move up now, leaving in a tiny gap. We're going to curve this line out and over for the mouth. And then we're going to do the same on the right. So we're going to bring this over and across. Now from here, let's draw in our mouth. So for the teeth, we're going to draw in a small straight line in the center. And then on the left and right hand side, we're just going to curve this line into that arch line. Again, we're going to move across, arching this out. And then again, just moving up, curving that in towards the line on the top. Again, let's stretch out, curving this over. Again, curving this line back up. Let's move across, drawing in a small curved line. Again, arching that in towards the top. And then again, moving out, curving that over, arching that back in. And now from here, we're going to bring this line back over towards our hand, just closing off the top of that coffee cup. Let's draw in Stitch's face now. So as we come around for the cheek, we're going to curve this line in towards the mouth. And we're going to close off the side of the head. So we're going to bring this line over and in towards the center. Now we're going to draw the hair right in the middle. So we're going to spike this out to the right, bringing this back down. From that point, we're going to spike this back further out to the right, bringing that back down. And then again from here, we're going to bring this over and then back in. Let's close off the rest of the head, curving this around and then down on the side. Let's close off the rest of the mouth. So on the corner, we're just going to curve this line down on both sides. And now let's move up in the center and draw in our nose. So in the center on the left, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. And then we're going to mirror that on the bottom, closing off our nose. Now for the nostrils, we're going to curve this out towards the opposite side. Let's draw in our left eye first. So we're going to start on the top, curving this around and out. And then on the bottom, we're going to arch this over and back through towards the side of the head. Let's thicken up the line on the top, coloring that in black. Now from here for the pupil, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then from that point, we're going to again bring this around and in towards the side. Now on the top, let's start on our top line and we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line for the highlight. And then we'll color in the rest of our pupil black. Let's flip over to the right hand side now. On the top, we're going to curve this line down, over, and in towards the nose. And then from that point, we're going to curve this back over and through towards the side of the head. Let's thicken up the top line like we did on the left. So we're going to bring this line over, up, and across. Now on the right hand side for the pupil, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line up and across, connecting that. And then for the highlight of the eye, we're going to draw in another arch line, bringing that across and coloring the rest of our pupil black. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved line coming out. We'll do the same on the top. Now let's move over and draw in the ears. So we're going to start on the right hand side and we're going to curve this line out and through. And then we'll do the same on the left. Let's connect this together now. So we're going to extend this further past, curving this around and out. We'll do the same on the left, bringing this ear further up towards the top of our page. Now from here on the left hand side, let's curve this down. We're going to draw in a sideways letter V. And then again, we're just going to bring this line around and in towards the cheek. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this further down. So we're going to bring this all the way around and in. Again, we're going to draw in a sideways letter V. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this back across and in. And then closing off the last detail of the ear, we're just going to start from that point, arching this out. Now let's close off the top of the coffee cup. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line in. We will do the same on the right. And then we're going to start with the bottom line. And we're going to curve this back around and through towards the top. Now let's draw in the rest of the coffee cup. So we're going to move down on the left and right hand side, just drawing in a nice big diagonal line. Now from here, as we move over on the right, let's replicate that. And we're just going to end this at roughly the same height. Now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. On both sides again, as we step in, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming across. And then again, we're just going to close this off with a curved line, bringing that over. Now let's draw in the Ohana coffee symbol in the center. So we're going to start with our center circle. We're going to start on the top, curving this around. And we're going to bring this all the way through, back in towards the top. We're going to step out now, leaving quite a big gap, starting from the top and replicating that, drawing in another circle. We can stop halfway, and then we can continue from the top to arch this back around on the right, connecting that together on the bottom. Now let's start on the left hand side, drawing in a star. So we're going to start with the star on the left. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the right, replicating that. Now let's draw on the word Ohana on the top in bubble writing. So right in the center of our O, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then moving around that, let's replicate that, making that bigger. Now let's draw in the letter H. So we're going to bring this line up and down, a straight line across, replicating that as we move around and down. And then we're just going to mirror that in the opposite direction. So we're going to curve this at the bottom, bringing this up, bringing this across, back down, connecting that on the side. Let's draw in the letter A. In the center, we're going to draw in a small triangle. Now moving underneath, a straight line across. To the left of this, we're going to curve this around, up, back down, and in. Now let's draw in the letter N. So we're going to move up, curving this up, bringing that down on a diagonal. On the bottom, we're going to curve this back up, bringing this down on a diagonal again. And then we're going to connect that from the top, arching this around and then in towards the bottom. Let's draw in our last letter A. So again, another triangle right in the center. We're going to connect this with a straight line on the bottom, arching this around and back in. And now let's draw in the word coffee on the bottom. So we're going to start with the letter C. And then from the top, just arching this back around and in. Let's draw in the letter O. So again, another circle right in the center. Moving around that, let's replicate that. Now let's draw in the letter F. Straight line that comes down, bringing this around, shorter, back in, and then connecting that, bringing that down and across. Let's replicate that as we move over. And now as we come up underneath our circle, we're just going to draw in 2 letter E's. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming down, bring this around and in. Doing the same in the center, making that smaller, and then one last big one on the bottom. And then again, just moving over and replicating that. Lastly, we're going to just draw in the flower in the center of our logo. So we're going to start right in the middle, curving this line around and in. We'll do the same on the top and the same thing on the right. We'll bring this line down with 2 diagonal lines and then close this off with a curved line on the bottom. Let's start drawing in the flower petals now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this around and in. We're going to come down on a diagonal, replicating that, curving that around, back in. Starting from the top, let's arch this line around and in, connecting that together. Let's step over from the center, curving this around, back in. And then again from that point, bringing this line up and then back down. Let's connect this together now. So we're going to curve this around and in. Starting on the top, arching that around and over. Back up and down. In the center now, we're going to curve this around and in. And then from that point, just bringing that down on the side. And now in each petal, we're just going to draw in a curved line going in the same direction of our flower petal. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch in a coffee cup. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.